Hi, I'm Marie. Today I want to show you how to make these delicious sesame noodles using common ingredients from your pantry. This dish is sweet, sour, savory and tangy. Seriously, we are talking lots of flavors. Also, this only takes 10 minutes to make. Sounds good? Let's get started. You need 1 pound of noodles for this recipe. It's best to use thick cut noodles because they tend to be more chewy. But feel free to use what you have on hand. I'll be using this udon today. Cook the noodles in a pot of simmering water for 3 minutes. Do not put oil or add salt to the pot. That will mess up the flavor. Stir it ever so often so they don't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Dish them out as soon as they have just cooked through, but still have a firm texture. In other words, you want them al dente. Now transfer to a bowl of cold water. This stops the cooking process and also rinses off the starch so they don't stick together. Drain them well and set aside while we make the dressing. Here we have sesame oil, soy sauce, red wine vinegar and a 1/4 cup of water. For every 1 pound of noodles, use 2 tablespoons of each of the liquid ingredients. Again, feel free to adjust the amount according to your own taste. Furthermore, we'll also be using brown sugar, white pepper and ginger. Mince the ginger. We'll use 1 tablespoon of it. Now, go ahead and add this to the cup. And stir it thoroughly. Okay, just one last thing. We'll garnish the noodles with chopped scallion and sesame seeds. I like to toast the sesame seeds on a saucepan to bring out their aroma. Be sure to use low heat. It takes only a minute or so. In a large bowl, drop in the noodles. Then pour in the dressing. Toss it around to mix it evenly. Sprinkle on lots of sesame seeds and some chopped scallion. And there we have it. Always serve this cold, either as an appetizer or as a cold side dish to an entree. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.